Viewers, you are welcome to MA Maths. We are here this day to continue with some lesson, but I want to take you to how to learn mathematics, how to learn and appreciate mathematics. Indeed, when you look at students nowadays, it's very difficult for many students to learn mathematics. That is why some students are there, they realize this math is difficult for them. It is not because math is difficult as a subject, it is because certain perceptions that students have in mind. That is why they find it difficult to learn mathematics. So I want us to go through these few steps that I've highlighted on the board. The first one, I have plan and prepare your mind for mathematics. Most students fear mathematics and do not even prepare their minds to learn mathematics. They fear mathematics. Some students are there, as soon as they see maths, they don't even want to draw closer. Anytime a maths teacher comes to class, they are sleeping. When a maths teacher, anytime they realize that a teacher has come to teach mathematics, whether the teacher is good or the teacher is not good, whether the topic the teacher is teaching is interested or not, because they have made up their minds that they fear mathematics, it's difficult for them to learn. So one thing as a student is that you have to remove that fear. Just know that maths is not a subject you should fear. The second thing under plan and prepare your mind for mathematics is do not use negative words like I don't like mathematics. Maths is too difficult for me. Maths is not good for me. As for me, I will always fail maths. Yes, many students I confronted in my class or different occasions, I try to approach them to counsel them on mathematics. I realize that some of them, they have just made up their mind, and their mind made up comes as a result of the negative words you use on themselves. If you use a negative word on yourself, you are indirectly saying that negative words will happen in your life. And as soon as you use those negative words on yourself, these are the results. The negative words and thoughts retire your mind from thinking mathematically. So I don't like mathematics. As soon as you say that, anytime at all you pick the maths book to learn, as soon as you guys pick the maths book, your mind goes to sleep. Anytime you see the maths book, the mind goes to sleep. Anytime at all you try to learn maths, you realize that your mind will tell you, oh, after this thing there. You have not made provision in the mind for maths. For that matter, it makes your mind goes to sleep. Anytime you see mathematics book or mathematics question, not to even talk of mathematics questions. And the other one is negative words from parents and teachers could also retire students' mind from learning mathematics. Yes, negative words from parents and teachers. Sometimes teachers will use words like, say, as for you, this student, you are not good at all. As soon as you tell a student that you are not good at all, the student gets demoralized. Since the student gets demoralized in the mathematics class, that ends it. That student will not feel comfortable to learn maths. You have already graded that student as nothing in mathematics. Parents too should avoid using negative words on their children or their words regarding to mathematics. You are supposed to encourage your student to learn maths. Then number 2, you have to determine to understand and practice maths. There is a saying that practice makes man perfect. Practice only makes you perfect when you understand what you are practicing. For that matter, a student in a mathematics class, as a student in a mathematics class, have confidence in yourself that you can make it. Be bold and confident to approach any mathematics topic and question. And so you have to be bold, be confident that you can make it. And if you are learning maths and you don't understand, please, at that instant, you can seek help from your friend or your colleague. Don't try to escape mathematics. The practice is very key. Assuming you want to learn a particular topic, you have to look at the explanation. There is background to every topic. If you don't understand the background to every topic, and you go and try to solve questions, it will be difficult. So you need to learn the background to every topic and now move ahead to learn how, if there are formulas in those topics, learn how, set topic, learn how to use the formulas, apply them, and solve more questions. Do more practice, and it will help you. Apart from doing that, you practice mathematics always from easy to difficult, simple to complex, and known to unknown. Yes, this is one of the key areas that you need to do. In mathematics, you don't start from the top, you start from the beginning. Assuming you want to learn, let me give this example. We want to learn sum of numbers. We want to learn multiplication and addition. Multiplication and addition, both of them are operation. So multiplication of binary, let's say multiplication of what? Multiplication in algebraic expression. We must understand addition before multiplication. If we move straight to multiplication, a student may be lacking. So you need to learn from simple to complex. Learn the easy ones before you can move to the difficult ones. And the last thing is for you to also pray to God for knowledge and wisdom to understand maths. Prayer is important. God has everything that you need in this earth. When you read James chapter 1, verse 5, says that whosoever lacks wisdom, let him ask, and the Lord will give him. So you need to also pray, ask God for wisdom, ask God for the ability to understand what you want to learn, and God will always guide you through. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best. Try to subscribe and like my videos. Always also turn on the notification button, and next time you can be able to have any video that I upload.